Hi, today we are completing the test of pragmatic language, second edition. I'm Kourtney, this is Marlee, and this is Mallory. So first thing I'm going to do is talk about the administrative guidelines and allowable responses and feedback. So the student is going to be asked to orally respond to a series of questions that require solutions and on some items a rationale for the solutions chosen. The materials is this picture book right here. All students begin with item 1. Who's doing it? You're the student? She's pretending to be a 6-year-old today, so 6-year-olds go through items 1 through 17, but everybody starts on 1. So the clinician will slowly read each item to the student. The examiner may repeat the item, but may not alter or abbreviate it. If the student does not respond in about 15 seconds, repeat the item. The examiner may point at characters depicted in the pictures as the item is read. No other assistance may be provided. If a marginal response is provided, encourage the student to answer more completely. If a student's response is clearly incorrect, the examiner should not use a prompt. So as far as scoring, you're going to mark a 1 for correct or a 0 for incorrect for each item. And since this is a norm reference test, there's no basal or ceiling. You just see how many they get right out of the 17, and then we compare their answer to children of their own age. So we're going to go ahead and get started.
Okay.
Let me just talk really loud.
Here's a picture of a boy at the doctor's office. Look at the boy carefully. What is he saying to the doctor, and how do you know this?
The doctor is holding pills for the boy to take, but the boy does not want to take them.
Cindy wanted to paint a picture. She got her paints, paper, and brushes ready. Her dad told her that she had a meeting to go to in 10 minutes. He said, "Do you think you should wait until later to paint?" What did Dad mean when he said that?
The dad does not want his daughter to paint right now because she does not have enough time.
Here's a picture of a lady eating in a restaurant. Look at the lady carefully. What is she saying to the waiter, and how do you know this?
She is upset because her food is burned, and you can see that because her food is black.
Cindy asked her mom to take her to the movies. Her mom said, "Your little brother's toys are all over the house. I don't have time to clean up and take you to the movies too." Cindy tried to think of a way to work things out for both of them. What could Cindy say?
Cindy could offer to help clean up some of the toys.
How do you know that what Cindy says might work?
Because if she helps her mom, then her mom might help in return.
Matt was telling about a scary movie he saw. Cindy said she did not want to hear any more about it. What did she say?
She said that she was not interested in knowing about the movie or that she didn't want to go.
So let's pretend that they finished this entire assessment and Mallory ends up receiving a raw score of 11. So we're going to take the examiner's manual and flip to the conversion charts found in the back of the book. So I am currently looking at a conversion table on page 120. It's table C1, and so I'm going to find her age. Sorry, it might be flipped. 6, she's 6. So then I go down and I find where she scored 11. So this puts her percentile rank at 79, which Marlee would be filling out on the front of the page. And then we go to the next conversion table, which, see, this one has standard scores. Okay. Oh, so then we look at our percentile rank, which, what did I say? 79%. So then I go and find 79%, and I go over, and it gives me a standard score 112. Standard score of 112. And then now we are going to convert raw scores into age equivalents. So we're going to find her age equivalent, which earlier we didn't write down. Oh, raw score of 11 puts her at the 10-5 range. And after that, do you have everything? Oh, grade equivalent. There's not a grade equivalent. And then we're going to take our raw score to find our grade equivalent. So our raw score was 11, which puts her grade at somewhere between 4th and 6th grade. Well, yeah, 4-6. Would that be 4th and 6th grade, or like 4th grade, 6 months? What's that mean? It's in the table. And then that completes the front of the page. All of the scores can be easily converted in the back of the page. This is an easy test to administer, and we recommend it if you're looking for something quick, efficient, and easy to score.